Okay, this video is going to be on how to install EmbroideryWare lettering sets. You can purchase lettering sets in a group or singly, and after you've paid for it, you will get a .txt file, which is written instructions on how to install the lettering set that you bought into the program. So I just bought the itty bitty uppercase lettering set, and I'm going to download the zip file, and I'm going to save it to my computer, and then I'm going to show you what I do. Is I have a file called All Temporaries, and I put new purchases into that folder, and then after I've installed them, I move them into my EEW folder that I keep. So I will move it into the temporary folder, and then see I have a Save EmbroideryWare. So after I've installed this, I'll take it out of here and put it in there. So next thing you're going to do is extract it. So you're just going to double click, hit extract, extract all, and then you're going to, you can close now. You're going to go over to EW, and you're going to say File, Install Lettering and Patterns Files, and you're going to go down to that All Temps folder and double click on Itty Bitty. Click OK, and then it'll say that the following have been installed, and you'll see them after restarting. Itty Bitty Ulit, which is a lettering file. And then you will notice that this will populate very slowly. So I had 71 font sets before, and now I'll have 72. Okay, so I have let that list populate, and I've restarted EW. So I'm just going to test this out, and I'm going to do a little bit shy of 2 inches, because that's about the space on the curved part of a baseball for a name. And I'm going to see what my dad's name would look like typed in that space. So we've got Itty Bitty picked. That's the new one, Itty Bitty. So I will type in his name. Spacing of 20 to start with, and say fit to line, and say OK. I've got it at 100%, so that would be very, very readable. Okay, Jim, I'm totally and completely impressed. I'm going to try one more thing, though, because I noticed the M's being a little funny with Shelley's trial, so I'm going to type in the word. Well, what word has a lot of M's? I know. Mommy does. And I'm going to make that 20, and I probably have that line a little bit too short, but that's okay. And I will say, there we go. And the reason I did that is because I noticed that the second grade font had populated, which happens often with my copy. I don't know if it happens to everybody. So I always look over here before I hit OK, and then just if it did second grade, I just hit this again, and then hit OK, and it's usually OK. So let's see. Oh, even that tiny Mommy is coming out pretty good. So let's make Mommy a little bit bigger though, just so we can see how those M's are. Because that was the one thing I was looking at on Shelley's. And it looks like Jim has fixed what I was seeing, because I do not see it at all anymore. So I am a very, very happy camper. And Jim, you've outdone yourself, I think, this time. I can't wait to stitch it. So hope that video helps somebody, and have a great day.